Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to do our pendulum lab. And so what we have right here is we have our pendulum. It's set up on a 30-centimeter string. We've measured it, and we're going to do experiment number 1 where we're changing the amount of washers. Okay, so first we're going to hold it all the way up.
This is a washer.
Okay, so hold it all the way up, and we're going to measure how long it takes the pendulum to go 5 periods.
Okay, ready?
Okay? And so 5 periods, so 1 period is where you start right here, and you go all the way that way, and you come all the way back. That's 1. Okay, so we want to, okay, here we go. This is 1 period where we go out and then back. So that's 1 period. So we want to count 5 times going out and then back.
Okay,
ready?
Ready, set.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and record our time here. So 6.12. Okay, here's the second one where we're doing 2 washers, and we're going to do a total of 3 trials. So here we go. Here's trial number 1. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, here we go. First trial with 3 washers. We've added more weight to it. Okay, here we go. And ready in 1, 2, and go. 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is going to be your setup for experiment number 2. You'll see that we have our protractor right here. It's attached to the table. And so what we're going to do is we're going to change the angle of the drop. And your first one, you're going to drop it at 90 degrees. So because we're sitting at the 90, we need to go 90 degrees this way. So we need to go to the 180, either this side or 180, either that side. Okay, so here we go. Here's the first one. We're going to measure those 5 periods again. So that's 1 full swing. Ready? Set and go.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Okay, the next angle we're going to try is 60 degrees. And you'll notice that I'm not at 60 degrees. So here's 90, which is going to be 0 for us. But the difference between 90 and 60 is going to be 30. So we're actually going to hold it at the 30 degrees. So we're at a 60-degree angle. Okay, so here we go. So here's our first trial at 30 degrees.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so now what we're going to do for the last one is we're going to do 30 degrees. So from the 90, we went 30 degrees over, and that would put us at 60, at the 60 on the protractor. Okay, so we're at 30 degrees, so let's go ahead and start that one.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, for the last experiment number 3, we're going to be dropping it at a consistent angle of 60 degrees. So we're going to hold it at the 30. And this one, this is the length of 40 centimeters, so we're changing the length of the string this time. We're still going to have 1 washer on it, and we're changing the length of the string. Okay, are you ready? So let's do trial number 1. On your marks, get set, and go. Okay, here is trial number 1 with the string at 30 centimeters, and our angle is still consistently at 60 centimeters, or 60 degrees. Here we go.
Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, here we go. The last length one we're going to do is 20 centimeters. So we have our 20 centimeter string with our washer on it, and we're going to go at 60 degrees. Here we go.
Ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 5.